Hello, madam. Today we will get to know 3 of the most luxurious and cheapest kitchen machines. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Kara with Hamilton Beach. If you use a food processor, you know how frequently you have to stop, remove the lid, and scrape the sides of the bowl with a spatula to reduce buildup and even out the mixture, and that can really slow you down. Our solution? The Hamilton Beach Bowl Scraper Food Processor. The scraper attachment travels around the sides of the bowl so you don't have to stop and remove the lid. And it works while the processor is either on or off. Now that's a real time saver when chopping, mixing, or pureeing. The generous 10-cup capacity bowl is roomy enough to slice, dice, and chop a variety of ingredients, and the wide feed chute lets you add a whole block of cheese without pre-cutting. The food processor includes a stainless steel blade for chopping and pureeing, plus a reversible disc for slicing and shredding. And the powerful 450-watt motor comes with 2 speeds, plus pulse control. The bowl, lid, scraper, and blades are all dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The Hamilton Beach Bowl Scraper Food Processor. Now that's good thinking. Hi, I'm Kara, and this is the Hamilton Beach 2-pound bread maker. From whole grain to French to gluten-free, this bread maker makes it easy for you to create delicious homemade bread without preservatives or trans fats. Operating it is simple. Just add the ingredients, select your baking cycle, and press start. There are 12 cycles, including dough to make rolls or pizza, cake, jam, and a variety of breads. You can choose from 3 crust settings, light, medium, or dark, and the large digital display makes it easy to view and select the cycle, crust, and load size. You can choose between 2 loaf sizes, 1.5 pounds or 2 pounds. There's also a delay timer. Just add the ingredients and begin the baking process later. This way you have hot, fresh bread waiting for you when you wake up in the morning. Perfect for entertaining, too. The non-stick bread pan and 2 kneading paddles are dishwasher safe, and the bread maker comes with recipes to make homemade bread easier than you ever thought possible. The Hamilton Beach 2-pound bread maker. Now that's good thinking.
Aucma stand mixer, 6.5 QT 660W 6-speed tilt head food mics, powerful motor and variable speed control 660W high-performance pure copper motor and sturdy ABS housing. 6 optimized speeds with pulse function, access to multi-purpose and a variety of recipes. More powerful motor but lower operation noise 76 decibels. 6.5 quarts large capacity bowl with handles 6.5 quarts stainless steel bowl can meet all your kitchen needs. The stand mixer is easy to use for making cakes, breads, cookies, pastry, muffins and waffle, and the dual handles are more convenient to hold. Tilt head and outside design. The tilt head design mixer allows access to install or uninstall bowl and accessories easily. The mixer has a stainless steel decoration belt and blue LED light as power indicator. The red housing with 2-layer painting make it look more shining and beautiful in your kitchen. Multiple attachments at Aucma stand mixer comes with 3 mixing accessories, whisk, dough hook, mixing beater. The splash guard with access hatch helps add ingredients without making a mess. Ideal gift and multiple authentication. Aucma electric mixer is a perfect gift idea for your family and friends. Please always feel free to contact us if you have any questions during using.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed yourself, make sure to press that like button, and if you want to see more of these videos, make sure to press that subscribe button and notification so you would know when we drop a new video. Also, if you're interested in any of these products, you will find all their links in the description. Thank you. See you next video.